Hello everyone. Thanks for joining me today. Today I am going to share my B.Ed lesson plan on the topic Measures of Measure. Let's go ahead and get started. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe my channel. When we make a lesson plan, on the top comes the lesson plan number, then the subject, then topic. Today our subject is English Prose and our topic Measures of Measure. Then comes the class, period and time period. Then in the first point comes the general aims, all those aims which are related to our subject. First, students will be able to gain knowledge about English. Second, students will be able to increase their logic power. And third, students will be able to develop interest in English. Then in the second point comes the specific objective. I have listed 3 specific objectives. Those are: first, students will be able to read the story. Second, students will be able to write difficult words. And third, students will be able to summarize the story. So, in the third point of teaching aid, I have used all the essential classroom materials like chalk, duster, blackboard, pointer as my general teaching aids. And for my specific teaching aids, I have prepared a chart of difficult words, and also I have prepared a flashcard of Tenali Rama so that my students can easily recognize the story which I am going to tell them in the coming class. Here you can see my flashcard of Tenali Rama, which I am going to show my students while I will be saying the statement of aim. Then our next point is expected previous knowledge of the students. Our students already know about Tenali Rama as they have already heard a few stories about Tenali Rama in their childhood. Then our fifth point is of introduction. Here I have asked 3 questions and also written their expected answers in the students' expected answer column. And then next point is of statement of aim, in which we reveal our topic saying today we will study a story named Measures of Measure. If my lesson plan is helpful for you, then do subscribe my channel and please hit the like button. And then in the next point of presentation, we are going to read the paragraph, say the difficult words which are coming in the paragraph, and also give the explanation of the paragraph, and then ask a few questions and write the expected answers on the student's activity box. The teacher will also write the difficult words on the blackboard. We will perform the same activity for all the paragraphs of reading, saying the difficult words and explanation of the chapter along with the teacher's questions. Eighth point is of generalization. It is generalized by the teacher that the students have acquired knowledge of the story. Then we will ask a few questions for recapitulation, and then at last we will give the concluding statement saying today we have studied a story of Tenali Rama. Then comes the homework, and at last the teacher's signature and the supervisor's signature. Lastly, I have to announce that I will be sharing all my lesson plans which I have made this year. So do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button to get the latest updates. Thank you everyone.